In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a ink cartridge that's not printing. Even though there is a ink in the ink cartridge, but when you print something it's blank. Now first thing is to take the ink cartridges out of your printer. So for example, this is the black ink cartridge and I can feel it's heavy, so that means the ink is there, but the print head is dried because we have not used it over the time. So if you move it like this, you won't be able to see any black color coming. If you rub it little bit, you should be able to see some marks, so that is not enough. The best thing is to spray simple water and wait for few seconds and rub it again. You should be able to see the black marks coming. So that's the dry ink that will rub here and it will just clear the passage. So do it few times, leave it like this, clean it again. You should be able to see the black ink coming out. So make sure you keep using your printer regularly so that the ink won't dry. Otherwise you have to clean it. So it looks like it has started to work as the ink markings are coming out. If it's very deeply clogged, then you might have to keep it overnight in the water, just up to this point. So we are almost ready to use. Better if I do it few times. So make sure you clean it and wipe it properly. Don't leave any water here. Now you can install it. Do it for the same coloring cartridge as well. And then we are ready to use. So simply start using it. Thanks for watching.